up to another good morning. Time to go. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. 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 We are all looking for adventure.
Now, welcome back. Just a quick intro. I want these videos to be pretty short and sweet, so I want to try and keep them between 2 and 5 minutes in length, just so that I can keep your interest. Now, in this video, I'm just gonna run through my equipment that I use for vlogging, and what it does, where to get it from, and basically how much it costs. Now, my go-to camera is my Samsung Galaxy S10, which is what I'm shooting on at the moment. I love this because obviously everyone carries it. You've got it there, it's handy, it's not conspicuous, and it's there ready to go when you need it. Sorry, I've got mozzies. Now I'm just going to run through the other equipment. This is the layout of the equipment that I use, and I'm just going to run through each part. So in the center there we have the good old GoPro. I've got a Hero 7 Black, and with that I have a microphone adapter. Now moving on, I have a GorillaPod that allows you to use it as kind of a selfie stick, just to give you a bit of extension, or actually as well as what it's designed for is a tripod. Teaming with the GorillaPod, I also have a mount, fluid mount, which allows you to level shots, and it has a built-in spirit level. Moving on to the microphones, I currently use 2 microphones, and I'm going to go in depth about the microphones later on. Now I use 2 microphones. I've got a Rode lapel microphone, which is very good, and then I also have the Boyar MM1 microphone. Now I chose this microphone over the Rode Video Micro primarily because the Boyar MM1 comes with the 2 cables. Now I'm going to explain this later on in depth. Now, I don't think I know of anyone that doesn't like to watch drone footage, and a drone is a great piece of equipment to have in your arsenal, although it is an expensive piece of kit, and it does have its limitations and rules. So now I'm going to move on to the ancillary kit that I carry. Here is the ancillary kit that I carry. Now, my drone is a DJI Maverick Air. I love this because it's so small. Okay, it just like folds up. You can put it in a backpack, and it's ready pretty much anywhere. So it's very small, it's very robust. It does have its limitations, particularly when it's windy and its range, but ideally you don't want to be flying it out too far anyway. Now I've got 3 batteries with it and also the controller. In addition to that, I also have a cheaper action cam that I'll use just in positions where I don't really want to risk the GoPro. So the GoPro up at hundreds of dollars, whereas this little action cam I think was 60. I then have a few mounts, a few suction mounts that I can use on the van itself. Now, as I spoke earlier, I mentioned that I wanted to move on later, in particular with the microphones. Now, this is in regards to the Boyar MM1. Now, I'm actually talking on this microphone at the moment, and as you can hear, the quality is pretty, I'm really happy with the quality of this microphone. But what I would like to highlight with this microphone is that it comes with
two cables. Now the first cable is a TRS cable, and this is in particular used for the GoPro. And secondly, it comes with a TRRS cable, and this is used with things like smartphones and laptops, etc. Having these two cables makes the Boyar MM1 a whole lot more versatile than the Rode Video Mic Mini, and also makes it a whole lot cheaper because obviously with that, if you want to use with the Rode, if you want to use the mic with a GoPro and with a phone, then you need to buy another cable, and the Boyar MM1 comes with that cable. The quality to me is exactly the same. It's still an excellent quality microphone.
Now that concludes this video. As you'll notice, I'm not currently in my van. My van is damaged and is a smash repair, so I'm staying in temporary accommodation at the moment, and the mozzies are really bad here, so I'm getting bitten like shit. So basically I'm in a caravan park and until my van's fixed, which should be in a couple of days. But anyway, thanks for watching. My next video is going to be on some vlogging tips and tricks.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning, time to go. Oh, we are all